Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful viewers. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make very simple yet very delicious garlic noodles. And here are the ingredients. It cooks really quick, but it's so delicious. That's one of my favorite recipe. So why be waiting? Let's get started. And then I'm gonna put some olive oil. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons olive oil. I'm gonna add half stick butter, and I'm gonna melt it on the medium flame. We need to make sure that butter jale nahi. Now I'm gonna add my garlic, which I'm using 3 tablespoons garlic, but it's up to you guys. Some people like more garlic, some people like less garlic, but we love garlic, so I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons. And in this dish I'm not gonna add any salt because my butter is saltish butter. I'm just gonna saute my garlic for a minute only. I'm not gonna burn my garlic. It's just a little bit saute. And I have a very low flame right now, and I'm just gonna saute for maybe about a minute. The smell is so good. Oyster sauce, garlic, so yummy. So simply after a minute I'm gonna add my noodles in it. So now simply I'm gonna add my 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese, or as you like it. And then simply we just mix it. And now I'm gonna add some parsley flakes. It's all done. Simply we need to mix it.